If you've spent, any time at all online recently, you've seen them. The posts screaming about free crypto. They're absolutely everywhere, right? Rocket emojis, big claims of easy money. But let's be real, behind all that hype, is any of it actually legit, or is it all just noise? Well, in this explainer, we're going to cut right through that noise and find out what's really going on.
This stuff looks familiar, doesn't it? The airdrop alerts, those red packet giveaways, the all-caps free USDT drop. It is just this constant stream of hype, and it's all designed to create a sense of urgency. That fear of missing out. It's exciting, yeah, it's a little chaotic, and it's definitely designed to make you click first and ask questions later.
So that's the big question, isn't it? How does any of this actually work? Is it really possible to earn crypto without putting your own money on the line? And maybe more importantly, what's the catch? That's exactly what we're here to break down.
Okay, so to get to the bottom of this, we're going to look at the buzz itself, then we'll dive into how you can literally get paid to learn. We'll cover methods for sharing and earning, check out rewards you get just for participating, and then we'll wrap it all up with how to put it all together. So let's get into it.
First up, let's talk about what is, without a doubt, the easiest entry point. This is a method that requires zero initial investment, getting paid simply to learn.
The whole concept here is incredibly simple. You have these platforms, right? And they often team up with new blockchain projects who really want to teach you about their tech. So what do? You watch a couple of short videos, maybe read an article, you answer a super quick quiz just to show you were paying attention, and bam! A small amount of crypto gets sent right to your account.
Now here's the fine print, the stuff you really need to know. These campaigns, they're almost always first come, first served, so you've got to be quick. You'll probably need to complete your identity verification. You'll see that called KYC. And let's be realistic, the rewards are small token vouchers. We're not talking about life-changing money here. But hey, it's a genuine, completely risk-free way to get your hands on your very first crypto.
Okay, so once you're in the ecosystem, the next logical step is to move from just learning to sharing. And this is where you can start to leverage your own network to earn in a way that can actually scale up.
This whole idea is built on a classic concept, the referral program. I'm sure you've seen it before. You, as a user, get your own unique code or link. When somebody signs up using your code and starts trading, you get a little piece of the action. It's a total win-win. The platform gets a new user, and you get rewarded for bringing them in. Simple as that.
Now, it's really important to know that not all referral programs are created equal. Most platforms have what you can call a light version. This is perfect for casual users. You invite a friend, they do something simple, and you both get a small fixed reward, like a voucher. But for people with a bigger audience, influencers, community leaders, there's often a pro version that offers a continuous stream of commission from their referrals trading fees.
And this is where it can get really powerful. With a pro program, your earnings can scale directly with your influence. See, the commission rate isn't fixed. It actually goes up based on how many new traders you bring in and how much they trade, climbing from a base of, say, 20% all the way up to 50%. This structure is exactly how some creators turn referrals into a really significant income stream. All right, so beyond just learning and sharing, there's this whole other world of rewards that opens up just for being an active participant in the crypto ecosystem. You've probably heard the term airdrop thrown around a lot. At its core, it's basically a promotional giveaway. A new project wants to generate some buzz and get its tokens into as many hands as possible, so it airdrops them, for free, into the wallets of early supporters or people who complete a few simple tasks.
But airdrops are really just the tip of the iceberg. There are tons of ways to earn just by getting involved. For instance, you could stake some of your existing tokens in a launch pool to get rewarded with brand new project tokens before they even hit the market. Or you could complete simple missions in a Web3 wallet, finish tasks in a rewards hub, or even just claim those red packet giveaways you see all over social media. Each one is a small opportunity to earn a little something.
I find this one particularly cool and pretty innovative. The right-to-earn model gives power directly to content creators. So if you write an analysis or share your thoughts on a token, you can pop in a cash tag, something like the $ and then the ticker, like $BTC. If a reader clicks that tag in your article and then makes a trade, you earn a commission on that trading fee. It's a really neat way to monetize your knowledge right inside the community.
So, we've seen all these different methods: learn and earn, referrals, participation rewards. But how do you actually combine these into a strategy that makes sense? Something that's, well, realistic. This quote from one of our sources really captures the optimistic view perfectly. The idea isn't to hit some massive jackpot overnight. It's about letting all these small, consistent efforts, claiming an airdrop here, doing a quick quiz there, compound over time into something that's actually pretty meaningful.
But, and this is a really big but, we have to ground that optimism in a little bit of reality. And this next quote does just that. This isn't passive income in the sense that you just sit back and do nothing. Earning free crypto requires you to be active, to be consistent, and to have a bit of a strategy for being in the right place at the right time. So a successful strategy really just boils down to building a system. First, don't rely on just one method. You got to stack them together. Second, prioritize consistency. Doing a little bit every day is way better than trying to do everything all at once and burning out. Also, keep a super close eye on official announcements for new campaigns. And finally, and this one is key, think about reinvesting your small earnings to let them compound and grow over time.
Ultimately, this all brings us back to our final big question. With the right strategy and, some consistent effort, earning crypto without an initial investment is clearly possible. But is it a sustainable side hustle, or is it just a time-consuming rabbit hole where you're just chasing tiny little rewards? The answer? Honestly, probably depend on your goals, your level of consistency, and how you value your own time. So, what do you think?